Just checking out the Los Gallos Taqueria here at Marsh Manor in Redwood City, located in the Friendly Acres area. Let's check it out. We got chips, salsas, bar in the back over here. In case you're extra thirsty, you can get some tequila azul as well. Huge menu. I am so glad they have pictures so you can actually see what the food looks like, and it looks really good. Wide variety and bar as well. So I had to get my food to go because I am running late to an appointment, but let's take a look and see. Chips and drum roll for the big reveal. Oh yeah, that looks like a big wet burrito for sure. Well, let's taste test it. So I feel like you always know if a place is good or not if it's got a lot of people around. This place is definitely got enough people around to warrant, I think, the flavor here. Two thumbs up for sure. I'd recommend this place. About you, but I get annoyed when I get skimped out on some stuff, but that is a packed burrito. Look at that in there. It is tasty and it's a good place. I'd recommend it. Make sure you stop by and try out the super wet burrito. It was a great burrito. I definitely recommend coming here to try it. I got the super wet burrito with al pastor, and the only thing you need to know is that it's cash only, which luckily I have some cash with me, but if you show up, make sure you have some cash.